Hello and welcome back to the second episode of our build series. Let's call it a sensible R1 build, because everybody's going like bling bling with all the Brembos and all the carbon fiber.
Yeah, no bling here.
Yeah, we can call this a sensible build series. So episode 2, last time we ended up with the problem with the ABS unit, which is here in Subframe. We have a new subframe which we have to swap in, so we have to dismantle this whole ABS system. She's still unsure if we're gonna go like delete the whole ABS system or just drain it now and dismantle it, put it back together. I'm not entirely sure yet. Probably we are gonna get rid of it.
Yeah,
I think that's gonna happen, and eventually. So what? Why not now? Anyways, this was a problem because we didn't have any tools to drain the system. So now we have them. We got them yesterday, actually. And here it is.
Professional kit.
Yes.
If you don't have compression air.
Yeah. Bromsbelahare. That's the one. Okay, so we're gonna start by draining the system from the back, I guess. Yeah, let's do that. So this is a pretty basic tool. You have a container. What is that? You have a container where the brake fluid gathers, and then you have the pipe, and this is a nice thing to have, which is like a, well, it's not a filter. It's a one-way valve, so air doesn't go back in to the system. So yeah, let's start draining, I guess. The green towel is for brake fluids. Let's use that.
Okay.
From now on.
So that's not for eating.
Yeah. I'm just gonna cover it a little bit, the rim and the tire and the like the rest of the stuff that we have.
Messy job. Can he do it?
Yeah, I did it again. Did it again. Maybe I should get rid of the watch, just in case.
Isn't it brake fluid proof?
No, I don't think so. I have to ask Apple if it is.
Sort of liquid anyway.
Okay, por favor. Alright. So this procedure is pretty easy. You can open up the reservoir cap, yeah, so you get some air into the system, and then you put this in. You don't need a compressor pressure. What do you call it? Air pressure? Like a pressure? What the fuck is this? Whatever.
Compressor.
You don't need air, extra air. You just need a friend, or you can do it yourself. You can pump it. also. Jeez. And the fluid goes through the
Is anything coming?
yeah. Slow. This on the R1, I think it's going to take a while because of the ABS system. There's all the fluid going through the ABS system before it reaches the caliper, so I think it's going to take a little while.
Alright, Ross, so dig this. We come out the bar, it's already like 3 o'clock in the morning. We standing in the middle of the parking lot drunk as shit. She talking about, let's go back to the car, I got a 6-pack in the trunk. I'm like, then you know me, but you don't be. Better back the fuck up off me. You soft G, I'm the boss B. Trying to double cross me is costly. I'm the coldest, and you know this. When I wrote this, I was focused. Now I'm laughing and I'm walking. Ain't got time for the talking. You hoping and wishing that I ain't gonna start with the dissing. You holding and folding. This chance right here is golden. Yeah, I'm the chosen and the broken. Steaming hot and smoking. You choking and coughing. This right here is awesome. I'm the freshest and the flyest. On the mic device, I'm like poltergeist. And I say it twice if I need to do it. Cause your energy is gonna get me through it. Day and night, night and day. This is what I came to say. Live now to see another day. Speak now or hold your peace today. I say, what you gonna do with this? What you gonna do with this? What you gonna do with this? Right here, I say, what you gonna do with this? What you gonna do with this? What you gonna do with this? Right here, bring it down. Okay. Now we had a whole lot of MCs on this stage here tonight. But I want y'all to know one thing. This is my motherfucking house. Baseline in the drum kit. This right here, that dumb shit. Punch you in the eye, slap you in the mouth, jab you in your rib quick. Feel the funk, keep the pace. Now we all up in your face. Keep the faith, don't cross the line. We all up in your personal space. No, not today. I ain't the one you try to play. Get that straight before you move away. Back to the place where your people stay. I rep my team so hard at me. Rep my city trying to be the king, but that just seemed to be the thing to do. But I'm really trying to do my thing. No, I ain't trying to compete with you. I just make it do what it do. What it do, what it do. So fresh, so clean, no need no crew. This my part where I start to shine. I wanna jump on everything, I wanna make it mine. Say this my part where I start to shine. I wanna jump on everything and try to make it mine. I say, what you gon' do with this? What you gon' do with this? What you gon' do with this? Right here, I say, what you gon' do with this? What you gon' do with this? What you gon' do with this? Right here, bring it down. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of
I don't think we're gonna see this on this. It's quite heavy. That's like a second for every lap.
I know you cannot feel it, but... So where's the trash bin?
Okay, so we got the ABS pump off. It's over there on the table. And took some of the pipes out. And now we are able to take off the subframe and show you the super nice DBholders subframe just in a second. So I need a huge Torx wrench. A huge one. A huge.
Can you tell me about Samir's huge wrench?
The biggest. The baddest.
He's up one.
He said it won't fit. I said force.
Here's my big wrench.
ABS module.
That's a bit of a problem, which I have not yet.
It doesn't fit.
I don't think it's gonna fit through.
Oh no!
fit through. Or do I have to like take it off from the exhaust first and pull it through? Are you holding it?
Yes.
Nice.
It didn't fall on the floor.
Look.
Yeah, it fits.
Nice.
I told you. Yes.
There we go. Yeah, well, that's not that heavy. We're gonna need the bolts. There we go. It's off. Nice.
Slide on the ABS.
Yeah. So we are gonna have to get rid of the ABS then. Seems like it.
Would be better.
Huh.
Right,
Oh,
guys?
that's all. Looks so naked. Look at it.
Now I'm starting to like this look.
Okay, now.
It's a small seat here.
Oh, I'll make it a bobber.
Imagine it.
Ooh. Ah. Come take a look at this package. Look at this. So nicely packaged. Thank you, Bikesplast. Oh, this is the tank. Ooh, look at that finish. It's really nice. So Bikesplast is a company which does all the fairings and stuff like by themselves. They don't copy other companies. They get the bikes and they make the fairings themselves, and they're made in-house. So this is really cool. They also have like the Kevlar reinforcements in all these places, and looks really nice. Can't wait to fit it on. This is the super bike tank, which you can see it's a lot higher here at the back end. So nice.
Very
Put it on
nice.
the table. Okay, what is next? A lot of packaging. Ooh, yeah, this is the thing that I was looking for. Put it aside. We're gonna use it for the original fairings. Alright. Here we go. This is the DBHolders subframe.
Now if you want to compare with the stock one.
I would say that they are quite similar, but the problem with this is that this is like cast aluminum or something like that. So if this gets hit, it's gonna break like completely. It's gonna shear, like it's gonna have huge cracks in them. Where this is, yeah, that's gonna just bend.
Much more solid.
Yeah, it's gonna bend if you crash. You can probably fix it easier and stuff. Plus, it's way cheaper compared to the stock one. So if you crash on track and you have to change your subframe, it's a lot cheaper and easier to do it instead of getting this one. All right. Now we are going to have to install this bad boy back
Bad
on.
boy for life.
No. Nää nyt on näin s***an vaikea, että näin kiertää.
Sulla on sinne käsissä johto, helvetti.
Eiks toi alare ole niinku mahtavusta?
Joo.
Milloin sä maalautat sun kypärän?
En pitkään aikaa.
Okei. Okay.